Good afternoon, and welcome to another InvestorIdeas.com podcast looking at cannabis news, stocks to watch, as well as insights from thought leaders and experts. Today we're looking at announcements from Emerald Health Therapeutics Inc., trading on the TSX Venture under EMH, ABcann Global Corporation, trading on the TSX Venture as ABCN, and Snipp Interactive Inc., trading on the OTCQB as SNIPF and on the TSX Venture as SPN. First, looking at Emerald Health Therapeutics Inc., who closed its prospectus sale to a single Canadian institutional accredited investor. Pursuant to the offering, the company has issued 4 million units at a price per unit of $4.20 for gross proceeds of $16.8 million. The company intends to use the net proceeds of the offering to fund the completion of its recently acquired agro-biotech facility in Quebec for working capital and for general corporate purposes. Next, going to ABcann Global Corporation, who announced the launch of Beacon Medical, its new medical cannabis brand. The goal of Beacon is expected to help patients and their healthcare providers navigate the complex medical cannabis market to find the best treatment option. Our vision is to leverage our unique experience in the global pharmaceutical industry to create one of the most respected medical cannabis companies. The launch of Beacon is an important step towards that vision, stated Barry Fishman, Chief Executive Officer of ABcann Global Corporation. ABcann's study conducted earlier this year on 1,500 Canadians identified that 73% of adult Canadians who are not currently using cannabis but have a treatable condition say they lack the appropriate knowledge on how to use medical cannabis, and another 67% say that they are unfamiliar with how to obtain medical cannabis. With so many Canadians not clear about how to obtain and use medical cannabis, ABcann believes the market is ready for a brand that makes the process easier to navigate. Beacon intends to differentiate itself by focusing on the patient's experience, simple registration and product classification, efficient purchasing, pharmaceutical-grade products, and the compassionate customer service. Beacon Medical invites investors, media, and consumers to get the first glimpse of the new Beacon brand at the Lift Expo taking place this week in Toronto from May 25th to 27th. The full Beacon Medical website and product line, which will include the introduction of cannabis oils, will be available to ACMPR patients by early summer of this year. And finally, looking at Snipp Interactive Inc., a global provider of digital marketing promotions, rebates, and loyalty solutions, who today announced that they have signed a master service agreement with CLS Holdings, Cannabis Life Sciences, who is in the process of finalizing its purchase of Oasis Cannabis at the moment, a seed-to-sale company focusing on cultivation, production, and dispensaries. CLS showed interest in Snipp's solutions by signing up for its recently launched Cannabis Marketing Resource Center. Snipp will, pursuant to the MSA, implement a customer retention and management platform covering all CLS locations across Snipp's, Snipp Check, Snipp Rewards, and Snipp Loyalty platforms. Snipp will leverage the accumulated knowledge and deep expertise it's acquired designing and launching marketing programs in other highly regulated industries like pharma, alcohol, and tobacco to help CLS run effective and legal compliant promotion and loyalty programs. We have explored a number of loyalty programs and after extensive review and consultation with Snipp have concluded that Snipp's robust and highly flexible platform allows us to deploy a system that we can leverage as we grow the CLS platform, said Jeff Binder, CEO of CLS. That's today's podcast. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment.